Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you
how to make coffee cream easily at home. This coffee cream is highly effective in completely removing your suntan and in lightening and brightening your skin complexion. This coffee cream is also a very good anti-aging treatment as it removes all your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and uneven skin complexion, and will also help to reduce your fine lines, wrinkles within 3 to 5 days. This cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is 100% effective in making your skin fair, glowing, radiant and spotless with just few uses of this homemade coffee cream. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this natural coffee cream. So the first ingredient which we need is coffee powder. After that you are gonna need rose water. Then we are gonna need almond oil. After that we are going to need glycerine, and the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's prepare this homemade coffee cream, and to prepare it you firstly have to take approx half a teaspoon coffee powder in a clean bowl. After that you have to add approx 1 teaspoon rose water in it. And now you have to mix these two ingredients really nicely to make a smooth, lump-free and a runny paste. And now after mixing these two ingredients really well, now it's the time to add the third ingredient, which is the glycerin. And you just have to add approx half a teaspoon glycerin in it. And after the glycerine you have to add half a teaspoon almond oil in it. And now again you have to mix all these ingredients really well to make a smooth mixture. And after mixing everything really nicely, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and you just have to add approx 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel in it, and then again for the last time just mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, lump-free and a creamy paste. And once everything is really nicely mixed, your homemade coffee cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this 100% natural homemade coffee cream. And the procedure to store this cream is very easy and simple. Just store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This 100% natural coffee cream is a homemade solution to almost all your skin related issues. This cream will help to lighten and whiten your skin complexion. It will also help to remove all your dark spots, pesky marks, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation problem, and will make your skin even toned, fair, glowing, spotless and radiant. This cream also works great in removing your fine lines, wrinkles and all types of aging signs from your skin, and makes your skin ageless, spotless and much radiant and glowing than before. So now let me tell you the procedure to use this cream to get effective results within few days. So the method to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just need to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin, and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage this cream all over your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you a radiant, glowing and a youthful effect. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed, for at least 3 to 5 days to get best and effective results on your skin. And after using this cream for at least 3 to 5 days, you will notice that your skin have become more fairer, glowing, youthful, radiant and glowing. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.